Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the cup holder on a Mazda 3. This one will be second generation from 2010 all the way until 2014. Okay, that's the cup holder we're talking about. You can actually remove that one. Pretty simple if you need to replace it, if your lid is broken, and you can actually remove it to clean it super easy. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, first thing that you need to do, you need to grab with your fingers right next to the emergency brake there and pull. There is a couple clips on this side as well. Here, I think 3 on this side. And after that, you need to start pulling a little bit on the front. Just be careful not to break it. Okay, like that, it comes out. Okay, and you need to be careful because that is very thin here. So keep pulling a little bit, and on the back there is a few as well. Okay, you hear it coming out just like that. Be careful. Now what you need to do, you need to leave the emergency brake and pull it out of there, guys. Okay, and this is the cup holder with the trim, the whole assembly. So now you can wash it pretty easy. You can actually apply a little bit of grease here too, so it doesn't break. Sometimes that spring will break, so you can repair it if that's the problem with yours. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.